In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the PGA Tour app. First, let's open the Google Play Store. On the screen, you should see the familiar green icon with a white shopping bag. This is where you can find all sorts of apps for your Android device. To locate the Play Store, look for it in your app drawer or on your home screen. Tapping this icon will take you to a world of applications, games, and more. This step is crucial because it's your gateway to downloading the PGA Tour app and accessing its features. Next, tap the search bar at the top of the Google Play Store. The search bar is usually a long rectangle that invites you to enter text. Once you tap it, your keyboard will pop up. This is where you will type the name of the app you want to download. Searching directly for the app saves you time. You won't have to scroll through countless options. Now, type PGA Tour into the search bar. Make sure to spell it correctly so you can find the right app. As you type, suggestions may pop up below the search bar. This can help if you need a little nudge on the spelling. Once you finish typing, press the search button on your keyboard. This action triggers the search, displaying results that match your query. This step is important because it narrows down the options to find exactly what you need. From there, select PGA Tour by PGA Tour Enterprises, LLC from the search results. You will see several options, but make sure to choose the one that matches the official developer name. This ensures you are downloading the legitimate app. Tapping on the app will take you to its dedicated page where you can see more details about it, including ratings and reviews. This verification step is essential for your device's security. Next up, tap Install to begin downloading the app. A button labeled Install should be prominently displayed on the app page. Once you tap it, the download process will start. You might see a progress bar indicating how much of the app has been downloaded. This is important because it ensures you are getting the most up-to-date version of the app with all the latest features and fixes. After that, wait for the app to download and install. Depending on your internet speed, this process may take a few moments. You will see a notification when the installation is complete. This allows you to know that the app is ready to use. Waiting might seem tedious, but it is essential to ensure that everything installs correctly. With that ready, tap Open to launch the app. This button appears right after the installation is finished. Once you tap it, the PGA Tour app will open and you will be greeted with an appealing interface. This action brings you one step closer to accessing all the exciting features the app has to offer. Finally, sign in or create an account if you want to personalize your experience. This step is optional, but having an account allows you to customize settings and access exclusive content. The app is free to download, which means you can enjoy all its features without any cost. This is a great way to stay connected with your favorite sport. And there you have it. You now know how to download the PGA Tour app on your Android device. Enjoy exploring the app and all the golf-related content it has to offer.